So right now I'm standing here in the Meghalaya Spice Festival, which is being held here in Mumbai, and this is the second day of the festival. Let's hear what the people of Mumbai likes and what are they buying from the Meghalaya Spice Festival.
Hello.
So I see that you've been checking these stalls here. Which stall caught your eyes as of now?
I think all stalls are unique. There are many stalls with spices, authentic spices from Meghalaya. They are very exotic. You can see and feel it that they are very authentic, straight from Meghalaya. And local tradesmen and craftsmen, they are here with their pottery, bee, honey, pickles, some yummy chutneys, and there are squash bottles also. Of course, they have given me a beautiful bag also. So I'm really happy to be here. It's a great weather and it's a great place to be.
I'm Sean Liliting.
Right.
Adore Shalam.
Alright. So you guys are local here in Mumbai?
We are. I'm working here. We are from Shillong.
So now seeing these Meghalaya, so how do you like it?
It is really joyful to come here and enjoy the spices of Meghalaya.
Which store caught your eyes most?
Almost every store is
What did you get?
A lot of
got a
stuff.
lot of stuff. Spices,
A lot of
turmeric.
Meghalaya
Yes.
Because you've been missing Meghalaya.
Yes, of course.
Well, I bought a lot of. I bought honey. I bought pickle. I bought spices. I bought squash. Yes.
Which stall really caught your eye?
Not one in particular because all of them have their own speciality. So yes, all of them are really nice. Yeah.
Alright, how much would you rate it?
On a scale of 5, I would say 5.
5.
Yes.
On a scale of 1 to 10?
10.
Oh. Alright. Thank you very much,
so
ma'am.
much.
Thank you.
My name is Sanika Hadove. I'm coming from Baikhila.
Alright.
It looks so different and beautiful. It's like a natural. Everything is look like a natural. Yeah.
What caught your eyes when you walk all these stalls?
The way they dress up. They dress up like very beautiful and like they culturally like very beautiful. It's looking.
You guys bought anything? Did you get anything?
Not right now, but definitely we bought. The product which are handmade that look very beautiful for me.
They are very unique and local, so it brings the local taste of Meghalaya, so I like that.
Are you gonna buy something, or did you get something already?
No, we are definitely going to buy something, and we are just checking out what all offerings are there.
How much would you rate these kind of markets?
10 on 10, man.
10 on 10.
Yeah.
Why is it 10 on 10?
Because
I love to Meghalaya.
Alright.
There is very beautiful traditions. Looking.
My name is Vinay Bhatia from Mumbai. So actually all the stalls were really good, including the food and all the spices and the other local organic produce. But I think 3 particular stalls which caught my eye were, one was Sifel Ventures, the other was Matil, and the third one was Braves. All of these had lakadong turmeric, they had pepper, they had a lot of varieties of ginger. But it's great to see how a state like Meghalaya is now literally a part of Bombay, where people from Bombay are enjoying. Most people here have not even heard of some of these spices. So that will be the first time, and I'm sure the organizers like the Prime Group have put in a lot of efforts to make this happen. And Kublai Shibon to the Meghalaya team, and thank you.
Tentang plak sabri ranguni Joka chirang darerong tepat taloni Kapa maturung thong sikul burung borong gong to bea ang achiram song Ni to bea ang namana song Nanang ni rasong, nanang ni asong Dong kanchina, nang yung chasong Ang chubena Achu shula, susat ni roker pukuna. Nanang iraso, nanang riaso, kukunchina, nang luchaso. Achu lena, achu shula, susat ni roker pukuna. Pumwasik bahon, Ricardo Madran, Kapung Kasyoka, Natobi Akurang, Pagkarin Bibang Sumay Chipa, Ang Dongram Lutobia, Ang Dongram Song, Nitobia, Ang Atchukasong, Nungkipagdacho, Kungrang Bea Chakro, Songdong Atacho, Kunola Chachako, Nishilap Tepa, Mandin Dul Grigi Seko, Tetil na anak ni kapo.